Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. It is so bright on this very chilly day here in Oklahoma. I can't even see the camera. I really can't even see it. So what we're doing today, we're gonna add some flavor to Grandpa's gun-toting Mercedes E320. And I still can't see. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Well, doggy. All right, your water temperature sensor is right there, okay? This is the connector. This is the connectee, okay? And basically all I've done is got a little screwdriver and lifted this kind of out of the way. All right, I'm hoping just to replace it with this one, and we'll see how this goes, because as you pull this out, you start to lose some coolant, so you don't want to waste lots and lots of time. Out with the old, in with the new somehow. Come on. Come on, little buddy. There you go. Okay. There it is. Okay. Sorry about my camera work. And I'm hoping that this will just kind of slide down. The little housing top part right there. What is this? Why are these things sticking out? All right, the best approach to put the little tab back in, and this is what it came out, okay? That's a little bent out of shape. I removed the air pump, super easy. Yeah, just one bolt right here, the whole air pump comes out. There you go. That is your water temperature sensor. This is the clip right there. You kind of put it in place. It holds everything together. You snap it in, and you're good to go. Okay, it just kind of sits behind those two little tabs right there. Tab 1, tab 2. Recognize this? Yep. This is the window that went ka-chunk. Let's try windows. Good. Good. Oh shit. That sounded horrible. Did you hear that? Oh. Okay. Well, we need a new window regulator. That was fun. Yeah, when we were rolling down the window, it was like that. This is the reason why. This is your window regulator, okay? It sits literally just right in there. I need to back up. There we go. Okay. See the cable? Yeah, the cable breaks, the window goes wonkers, and it gets stuck. Okay, so that's the old. This is the new. And to put it in, all this has to come off. Okay, so this is kind of lubed up already. It's kind of gross, and I have to admit this isn't the most expensive one I've ever purchased, and it may be the cheapest I've ever purchased. And just like that, we got a rivet. We got a rivet, rivet. That's a little smaller. Don't hate. I could only find 3/16. Yep, you need a little larger. Okay, that's gonna hold it. She'll be good, I hope. Yeah, she's pretty solid. Okay, so now what we need to do is put in the motor. Okay, this part goes right in there, and then it just kind of slides into place. So you put it in like thusly, and then it's supposed to just kind of slide into place. There we go. Okay. And then you slide it into place. Okay, you adjust the window so you can get these all lined up. Okay, so now we're just going to tighten this up and we should be good to go. Okay, we'll connect the electrical connect and then we're just going to give it a quick test just to see. Oh, see how it pulled it up tight? Okay, you're tight. Now let's do you. Yep, it's so much fun with one hand while I keep filming. Yep. I know there's easier ways to do this, but I just don't want to get off my knees. Okay. There it is. Connector. Connected. Listen to the click. There's the click. And I think we have a window that's going to move. See, I had the tape holding the window up. All right, let's give it a try. Let's see if we've created something that works. All right. Oh, I should have closed the door. Oh well, let's just kind of see what happens. Oh look, see? Up and down and up and down. All right. Job well done, Brooks. This may be perhaps my greatest feat of all. Okay, remember how this only went that a ways, no matter how you push the button here? Okay, you could try to go backwards and it went forward. You try to go forwards and it would go forward. Well, we went to the junkyard. Yes, sir, Bob. And we got another one. And now watch. Watch her back it up. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. And now watch this, the headrest, it goes down and up. Look at that. Look at that. So for literally, I don't know, how much was this? $4.95, $4.95 or something like that. That is a big win. So we'll put it in here, button this thing all up. Then we're going to fix the one over there on the driver's side door. And then we're going to take her for a spin. Fix right here. Look what came in the mail today. Look how gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. It's going to fit perfectly. Okay. Now, super easy. Change the light bulb. Out with the old, in with the new. Let there be light. Attach this. Thusly with a little twist. Like that. And then she basically just goes right inside, just like that. Okay, let's make sure she's good. And we're here. Snap. There. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. We're taking the E320 for a spin on the roads. Okay, she's legal. She has a battery that's almost dead. And she has a license plate that works. And it is up to date. Yeah, I tell you what, it cost me literally like $75 or something to get the title transferred over in Oklahoma, because it's based on age and value of the car. He's not worth much, but we're very happy excuse me, that he's alive. So what I would like to do, and he does not sound very happy right now, we're going to take her out here and we're going to get her on the road, but unfortunately that lies in our way. Dagnabbit. Do you recognize this car? Yeah, not a Mercedes. Beamer. Not the bummer Beamer. This is the good Beamer. Yeah, this is the 330. Excuse me. So basically, this is what happens when you are working a morning show and you have to be at work at 3:30 a.m. and you finally get to sleep about 1:30 a.m. I backed up. Well, no, I drove through. I drove Grandpa's Mercedes through so I could use it to jump the battery in the Mighty ML. Okay, where's the battery on an E320? It's not under the hood like Mike thought. Going on 2 hours of sleep. Nope, it's behind the back seat. And it didn't reach. Okay, so what I had to do is maneuver this car out from all the other cars. And I've got her running and she's charging up, hopefully she's charging this battery. This thing was dead as a doorknob. So let's kind of go in here and we'll see what's happening. Do I have the key? Yes. Do I remember how the key works? I don't know. 2 hours of sleep is not a good thing. So let's hurry and get in here so the light being on won't suck all the juice out of that stupid battery. And we're going to give her a start, we hope, because this is in the way. I want to drive the E320. Here we go. You ready? Listen. Come on, come on. Oh! She's alive. Thank goodness. Okay, we're going to move. It's been a while since she ran. Yeah, so we're going to move this car back to the operating area because she has a coolant leak. Okay, let me move. I got to move the BMW, put this back there and get the E320 out somehow. We're going to make it work. This is what I'm dealing with. I'm running out of parking places and Lola keeps dragging out my stuff. She keeps dragging out all of my stuff. So, yeah. Looks like a junkyard, doesn't it? That's where the E320 goes. There's the car that started the ML500. Yeah, how many of these cars can I take on the road right now? Maybe that one? Nope. Maybe, but she creaks, which has me very, very worried. I hope I didn't hit my sprinkler system. Okay, so let's do it. No radio, because I have to get the code, so we don't have to worry about music. But basically, I just want to take her up and down the street and see how she does. And then if she does well, I'm going to take her to work tomorrow morning. By the way, did I tell you? Yeah, I got to be there at 3:30 a.m., which means I wake up at 2:30 a.m. And I can't go to bed at 1:30 a.m. anymore because that makes for a cranky, cranky morning anchor. But look at this. Here we go. This is it. Still got the steering gear oil error message. How bizarre. But let's see if she changes gears. Yep, there's a gear change. Going down the hill, going down the hill, going down the hill, going down the hill. Probably a little too fast. Still have the check engine light on. Still have the SRS light on. I got to get my laptop booted up and see what's going on with this. But she's a speedy little demon. She is a speedy little demon. Here, let's give her some gas now. Bump, speed bump. Boom. Okay. Speed bump. Kaboom. I think she gets to go to work with me tomorrow. Yes, sirree, Bob. She gets to go to work with me. I don't want to show you street signs because I don't want any creepers showing up at my doorstep. But if you want to send me tools, you want to cash at me, Venmo, that's fine. No, I'm kidding. I have had a couple people send me some tools, super nice people, and they're greatly appreciated. Also, a young man named Phil sent me a very cool coffee cup and a t-shirt from across the pond. Phil, you're the man. I love it. I'll put a picture up right here. Okay, we're back at Monkey Wrench Mike. The house. Oh, can I show you something? Look at my Christmas decoration. Can you see him right there? Oh, how cute. How cute is that? Look at that. It's a teddy bear. Look underneath. I got him strapped in. And soon I'm going to put a chain around the bottom of the rocking chair to that post right there so nobody can steal him. Yep. There's very little power steering in the power steering. Holy crap, that was hard. That's probably the issue. Yeah, this does not turn. This really does not turn as easy as other 320s. Grandma's E320 did really well. She did really well. So we're going to park it here, try to figure this out. But that is for another video. How do you like that, folks? Yep, we're going to call that another win. Yeah, how about that? So the work continues on Grandpa's Gun-Toting E320. We took her on the road. She drove fine. We changed the headlights. They look great. We changed the front bumper lenses. They look great. We made this window go up and down. Did you hear that? Yeah, they all go up and down now. Okay, we still have to clean this. But all in all, this is very, 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 very lovable. Yeah, I love my cars. I do. I love each and every one of them like my kids. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. We're going to hit 16,000 coming up pretty soon. Don't forget, check out the merch. It's right below me. It's very cheap. I don't make very much money off of it. It's not a money-making thing. Just want to get the Monkey Wrench Mike word out there, folks. All right. Have a great day. I hope you had a fantastic Thanksgiving, and thanks to everybody who did watch my crazy little video about Thanksgiving with Truthful Tom and Mama Monkey Wrench. So that's going to wrap it up for this one. All right, put the monkey right here. How about another one right here? Yeah, 2 monkeys, 1 video. Bye-bye, everybody.